So today I am going to teach you in detail animal farm. The first topic which is important for you to understand what happens in animal farm. You must have read the story. I have even taught about George Orwell in detail. But today, stepwise, understand about this work, Animal Farm. What happens in animal farm? Question mark. ठीक है? Now, Mr. Jones, who is a farm owner, is very arrogant and merciless. A farm owner is arrogant and merciless. But arrogant and merciless towards whom? Towards the animals he rears. Towards the animal he rears. Rears मतलब पालना, संभालना. This attitude of his is viewed with detest. इस एटीट्यूड को कैसे देखा जाता है? घृणा के अंदाजे से. बाय द एनिमल्स, मतलब एनिमल्स इसको बड़ी घृणा के फीलिंग से देखते हैं, बिकॉज किसको ही अच्छा लगेगा. एंड दे ऑल असेंबल. असेंबल मीन्स इकट्ठे होना. टू हियर ऑफ द मैनर्स प्राइज बोर called old major. The animals are encouraged to revolt against whom? उनको उकसाया जाता है, उनको encourage किया जाता है कि वो revolt करें. किसके against? Mr. Jones के against. For what? For uncivility. And that too for animals or towards animals. Now, there arises a chance for the animals to drive away Jones and take hold of the farm for themselves. उसको भगा दें और पूरे फार्म हाउस का या फार्म का खुद कब्जा कर लें. So the manor farm, MANOR, the manor farm of Jones is rechristened as Animal Farm. All animals rejoice over this change. The administration is then taken over by the very intelligent lot. And who is that intelligent lot? The pigs. Administration किसके हाथ में आ गया? Taken over by the intelligent pigs. Now, old Major's thinking goes into the making of commandments, 7 in number, to the guiding principles of the animal farm. The generally agreed determination is that there should be no association with human beings. And the commandments find their place on the barn wall. And after a passage of 3 nights, the 12-year-old Major passes away in sleep. So this leads to the question of the leadership of the animal farm. The contenders are 2 boars. One is Napoleon and the other is Snowball. Napoleon and Snowball. two contenders. हाल में फिर क्या होता है? In the meanwhile, the defeated farm owner Jones tries to retrieve his farm. जो हारा हुआ जोन्स है वो अपना फार्म वापस चाहता है. But Napoleon and Snowball, by their coordinated efforts, foil the attempt. उसके attempt को failure करा देते हैं. And this battle against Jones is called, ये जो बैटल है, ये जो झगड़ा है, ये जो लड़ाई है, किसके अगेंस्ट? मिस्टर जोन्स के अगेंस्ट. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? बैटल ऑफ द काउशेड. बैटल अगेंस्ट जोन्स is called Battle of Cowshed. However, there is enmity between two boars which reaches an alarming stage. इतनी ज़्यादा हो जाती है कि वो अलार्मिंग स्टेज में पहुंच जाता है. स्नोबॉल ये सजेस्ट करते हैं, एडवाइस करते हैं that the life of animals will be improved if the windmill is built. इससे ये नाराज हो जाते हैं. This infuriates Napoleon, जो कि बहुत रेस्टलेस हो रहा है गुस्से में. Who is restless with anger. He has a pack of dogs and these strive Snowball away. So now what happens? Napoleon becomes free and professes as if the idea of the windmill is his own, कि ये idea उसका खुद का है, and put in his efforts for the construction of the windmill to generate power for various purposes in the animal farm. So the 7 commandments intended for the animal's welfare are left in the air. The pigs and dogs become self-centered, as a result of which other animals begin languishing. Their rations are cut. उनका जो राशन है, खाने का सामान जो नहीं होता है, rations बोलते हैं, are cut, and the pigs and dogs prosper on the dining table. On the other, one after the another, the commandments are altered, and the illiterate and half-literate animals blink and think for no avail. Any revolting rise of opinion is countered with the threat of Jones coming back to power. Thus, animal welfare gives way to human comfort for the chosen animals, the pigs and the dogs. The other animals starve and work more. Soon, it turns out to be a tirade against Snowball whenever anything goes wrong in the animal farm. Napoleon suspects some animals, including the pig's party, of the mishaps. Such animals are suspected to be clandestine companions of Snowball. It so happens that one day a storm blasts and the windmill drowns stock and barrel. What has happened is naturally adduced the reason of conspiracy and the charge is mounted on Snowball. This the animals in general do not like, but Napoleon sees this as a move against his own self and arranges to exterminate many animals, some pigs inclusive in that. The foolish animals, expecting clemency and perhaps some reward for forthrighteousness, bearing the brunt of extinction. As is wont with leaders, Napoleon too soon becomes very crafty and devises means to make his name pronounced, often by the secretary Squealer. If a name is often repeated, it becomes embedded in the minds of the public irrespective of its relevance and meaningfulness. ये बात सच है. So Napoleon's name continues ringing in the ears of other animals, and his leadership in the animal farm, together with his authority, gets affirmed. His public appearances become occasional. And it soon happens that the animal farm is in dire need of money for rebuilding the collapsed windmill and even other activities. So Napoleon decides to sell the timber, timber matlab lakdi, decides to sell the timber in the farmyard and initiates talks with the human owners of the neighboring farms between एक नाम है फ्रेडरिक एंड पिलकिंगटन. फ्रेडरिक एंड पिलकिंगटन. He tries to sell the timber in the farmyard and initiates talks with the human owners of the neighboring farms. Between Frederick and Pilkington, Napoleon favors the latter. But this is just a semblance. To Frederick goes the timber in sales. It turns out that Frederick, despite favors, turns inimical, and his men attack the animal farm, and the windmill is blown up beyond recognition. But क्या होता है? बॉक्सर जो हॉर्स है, बॉक्सर, the horse, with the strength of immense steel and determination, puts in his best efforts even beyond working hours, and the windmill emerges again. But यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे exploitation है. But there is exploitation. The pigs, the intelligent lot, manipulate the windmill to their advantage. And though animals, they go oblivious of the commandments, which lose shape every now and then, and develop the habits of their humans in their life pattern. The situation is very, topsy-turvy types. They begin to practice walking on hind legs and with hips handled by their forelegs. Thus, they justify that they are more able than other animals. Day by day, this kind of behavior increases. And the helpless animals in the farm cannot but heave sighs on seeing the pigs no better than the humans with whom they pick up friendship and sustain it. This happens when majority of the animals of the older times die. Those other than pigs get less food, much to their impoverishment. So the purpose of the animal farm undergoes an automatic burial. Fine. So this was what happens in animal farm, which is one of the utmost important points to remember and to know.